Álvaro Sánchez, Marquess of Antela, and I drive a Chevrolet Corvette 63 Convertible. I bought the car in Florida from a pilot who owned a plane investment firm, and he used to own this car since the 70s. It was the love of his life. It is a 340 horsepower Corvette with manual transmission, Hertz short shift, with very powerful engine and very heavy duty shocks that makes the car handling excellent, and it goes like in rails over the coves and canyons. If I need to choose a car, I choose a sporty classic with manual transmission and beautiful shape. I need to choose a color, I choose red, rosso, vermelho, krasny, rouge. The Corvette C2 is one of the most beautiful classic cars of all times. With a super powerful engine, it's just blow anybody's mind. Additionally, the 63 has a lot of things from a prototype. So it has it all. The beauty, the power, and the configuration to be a dream machine. In this car, we restored the quarter panel frames, as well as we restored the brakes. We did a tune-up in the engine. We did detail in the interior, but leaving some patina behind with the history of the car. The car has two tops, the soft top that can be seen in the video, an additional hard top in red. It can be delivered with a 63 hood with the hood grills. Now we are looking for a new true love for the 63 Corvette with its original 327 engine, manual transmission, so swifter, Spanish clean title, and ready to use and race in Europe. I have a blast with this ride, and it will be very tasty.